Hello everyone, this is your mentor Ritesh and welcome back to Dive into Analytics. This channel is all about diving into the concepts of data science, simplifying it in easy terms and making it fun. So let's begin with today's concept. In the last video, we saw how to create a database and then we created two databases by using both methods. One was by using Object Explorer and other was by writing the query. When we create our databases, it gets stored in our local server. In this case, in your system. So these databases that you are seeing here are now created and stored in your system storage. As you can see, we have multiple databases here. Now imagine I want to retrieve the data from the table which is stored in this database dive into analytics. So let's see how we do that. Imagine this outer circle as your local host where your databases would be stored. This A, B and C are the databases which has multiple tables. Like for example, A has multiple table here, table 1, table 2, table 3, table 5. Same goes with B and C database. Now I want to retrieve data from this table. So to retrieve the data from this table, I have to use this database name A. So how to use the database is what we are going to learn in this video. Using a database in SQL Server is very easy. The syntax to use a database is write use and then pass the name of the database that you want to use. Let's see in SQL Server how to do that. Now I want to use this database, dive into analytics. To select the database that you want to access from multiple databases, we have to write use and then the name of the database that you want to select. And then select this and click on execute. As you can see, now we are using the database. So now you can see here, dive into analytics database is now currently in use. Now example, I want to access this database XYZ. So I'm going to write use XYZ and then select this, click on execute. And you can see now XYZ is in function. So depending on which database you want to use, just write use and then pass the name of the database that you want to use. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of SQL and databases. I hope you found this video insightful and informative. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the future videos, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more contents like this. Until next time, happy coding.